Good day, everyone. Today, we gathered here to talk about if the students of CREAM 1F are in favor of implementation of SOGI bill or not. Here are the guidelines for participants.
Be respectful and professional in tone and language.
Avoid personal or discriminatory remarks.
Support arguments with facts, laws, and credible sources.
Focus on ideas, not personalities.
Use inclusive and gender-sensitive language.
Thank you. Good day, everyone. We proudly represent the affirmative side in support of the SOGI Equality Bill because we believe that all Filipinos deserve dignity, fairness, and protection, no matter their sexual orientation, gender identity, or gender expression. This bill does not grant special privileges. It simply ensures that every person's basic rights are upheld. By supporting the SOGI Equality Bill, we choose a society that values equality, addresses discrimination, and opens opportunities for all. Today, we will explain why this bill is not only important but essential for our nation.
Good day, everyone. We are here to present the negative side of SOGI bill. As we all know that SOGI bill ay panukalang batas na ang pangunahing layunin ay maprotektahan ang mga Pilipino laban sa diskriminasyon batay sa kanilang pagkakakilanlan sa sarili. The concept of SOGI bill is the sexual orientation, gender identity, and gender expression. Bagaman, ang intensyon nito ay pagtataguyod ng pagkakapantay-pantay at pag-iwas sa diskriminasyon, maaari pa rin magkaroon ng hindi magandang epekto na makaaapekto sa ating lipunan. We are not clearly tutol sa pagprotekta sa bawat isa sa atin when we are talking about discrimination. Ngunit, kailangan nating balansehin at huwag isa walang bahala ang relihiyon at kung anong magiging epekto nito sa ating tradisyon at kultura. Kailangan muna nating suriin ang mga maaaring maging bunga at nandito kami upang makipag-usap ng may respeto tungkol sa kung paano natin may tataguyod ang pagkakapantay-pantay na hindi maisasangtabi ang relihiyon, kultura at tradisyon.
So, bakit nga ba kailangan ang SOGI bill na ito? Alam naman natin ang SOGI bill ay nakafocus sa sexual orientation and gender identity expression. Ito yung bill na anti-discrimination law in the Philippines that aims to protect people from discrimination based on their sexual orientation, gender identity or expression. So, napakalaga nito sa hindi lang sa ating bansang Pilipinas, kundi sa buong mundo. Dahil pag napasa to, it would prohibit the discrimination in areas like employment, education, and public services. The bill has been filed in multiple Congress but has faced challenges and opposition leading to its slow progress. So, napakalaga nitong bill na to pag naipasa to.
Since everyone has SOGI, that bill protects all Filipinos, not just LGBTQ groups. Hindi ito special rights, kundi equal rights.
Maraming tao ang tinatanggihan ng trabaho, pinapaalis sa establishment o hindi ina-admit sa school dahil sa SOGI. The bill ensure fair access to employment, education, healthcare, and public spaces. Basic rights na dapat pantay para sa lahat.
May anti-discrimination law sa Pilipinas pero walang malinaw na batas na nagbabawal ng discrimination based on SOGI. Without the bills, victims of discrimination have no special legal remedy. The SOGI bill clearly defines discrimination and provides enforceable protection.
We are not affirmative to SOGI bill because we have a law that exists to prevent discrimination.
Bakit pa natin kailangan ang batas ng SOGI bill? Kung nandiyan naman ang 1987 Constitution, kung saan kahit anong lahi o kahit anong kasarian ay pantay-pantay sa batas. Andyan din naman ang Labor Code, Civil Code, na kung saan pinagbabawal ang diskriminasyon.
Others praise that if they see something that an LGBTQ persons dislike, they might be a case of discrimination.
Religious school or church where that they might be forced to accept or hire people who do not follow their belief. other things that might cause conflict with traditional Filipino values or belief about gender.